Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to SV Nursing Guide. In this video, we are going to see about types of bones. First, bone means what? Bone is a rigid organ that protect the various organs of our body. That is called bone. There are five important functions of our bone is body support, movement, protection. Protection means it protect the various organs of our body. Next, storage. Storage, it stores the minerals of our body. Hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis means formation of blood cellular components. That is called hematopoiesis. These are the five important functions of our bone. Next, types of skeletal system. Our skeletal system is dividing into two types, axial and appendicular. In axial, skull, vertebral column and thoracic cage. In appendicular, pectoral girdle, upper limbs, pelvic girdle and lower limbs. This two picture clearly shows the types of skeletal system. In axial, skull, rib cage or thoracic cage and vertebral column. In appendicular, shoulder girdle or pectoral girdle, upper limb, pelvic girdle and lower limb. We are going to see each types. First, axial skeleton. In axial skeleton, first we are going to see skull. In skull, there are 22 bones in the skull, including the bones in the middle ear and head contain 28 bones. First, cranial bones. There are 8 cranial bones, occipital bone, parietal bone 2, frontal bone, temporal bones 2, sphenoid bone and ethmoid bone. You see this 8 cranial bones, frontal, sphenoid, ethmoid, parietal 2, temporal 2 and occipital 1. Next, facial bones. Facial bones are 14 in count. Nasal bones 2, maxilla or upper jaw 2, lacrimal bone 2, zygomatic bone or cheek bones 2, palatine bone 2, inferior nasal concha 2, vomer 1 and mandible 1. Next, middle ear. In middle ear, 6 bones, 3 on each side. Malleus 2, incus 2 and stapes 2. We can see in this picture, it clearly explains the types of facial bones and middle ear. Next, spine or vertebral column. A fully grown adult features have 26 bones, in children 34. First, cervical vertebrae 7 bones, thoracic vertebrae 12 bones, lumbar vertebrae 5 bones, sacrum 5 bones at birth but it fused into one after adolescence. Then coccygeal vertebrae. Next, chest or thorax. In chest, 26 bones. First, hyoid bone 1, sternum 1 or 3, ribs 24 bones, 12 pairs in each side. Cervical ribs or extra ribs that occurs in some humans. Next type of skeletal system is appendicular. In appendicular, first arm. In arms, 64 bones, upper arm, lower arm, 10 bones, in hand, 54 bones. First, upper arm bones are 6 in count, 3 on each side. Humerus 2, pectoral girdle or shoulder contain scapula 2, clavicles 2. In lower arm, 4 bones, ulna 2, radius 2. In hand, 54 bones. It divides into three types, carpal, metacarpal and phalanges. In carpal, scaphoid bone 2, lunate bone 2, trachytral bone 2, pisiform bone 2, trapezium 2, trapezoid bone 2, capitate bone 2, hamate bone 2. In metacarpal, 10 bones, in total 5 on each side. In phalanges, divides into three types, proximal, intermediate and distal. In proximal, 10 bones, 5 on each side. Intermediate, 8 bones, 4 on each side. Distal, 10 bones, 5 on each side. Next, pelvis or pelvic girdle. The pelvis is made up of three regions, ilium, ischium and pubis. The sacrum and the coccyx attach to the two hip bones to form the pelvis, but are more important to the spinal column. So, where they are counted. Next, leg. In leg, 60 bones, femur 2 bones, patella or kneecap 2 bones, tibia 2 bones, fibula 2 bones. In foot, 52 bones in total, 26 per foot. It divides into 3 dorsals, metatarsals, phalanges of the foot. In dorsal, calcaneus or heel bone, 2 bones, talus 2 bones, navicular bone 2 bones, medial cuneiform bone 2, intermediate cuneiform bone 2, lateral cuneiform bone 2, cuboid bone 2. In metatarsal, 10 bones, phalanges divided into 3, proximal, intermediate and distal. In proximal, 10 bones, intermediate 8 bones, distal 10 bones. These are all the types of bones. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.